Hello guys, welcome back to Omoge Vlog TV. If this is your first time coming, smash the subscribe button. On this video, I am going to show you the 20 best site you can search a job online, work at home. Very simple site. You can work at your ease than spending your data watching videos, playing games. It's preferable you design CVs and apply. It takes nothing to apply. So let's take a look. Don't skip top 20 best site. You will have a job within a week. Let's try. Hello guys, welcome back to Omoge Vlog TV. It's my duty to always bring latest things that can help you in one way or the other. Today we are going to look at the 20 best remote job sites to find your dream remote jobs in 2020. You all know the crisis we are facing today. So let's go there straight. I'll go down. The benefit of working remotely, as you can see here. I'm going there straight. Number one site that we have here, site that take cut from your pay, is like you have heard of site like Upwork, Freelance and Fiverr. When you read this, I believe they are great to test the waters with freelancer works and independent client. However, they are less than ideal when looking for a part or full-time remote job. That's number one. You see it here. 2. Job aggregators. Secondly, you'll find some free site below that lists hundreds of different remote job posting purely via an RS feed. So we are going down. Handpick remote jobs that came at a price. Okay, the best remote job site to find your remote job career. Number one, we have FlexJobs. Our top picks are the best job site for remote work. FlexJob is a major career site and in my eyes the best place to find a legit remote job. They are currently listing over 36,000 active job posting from 400,000 companies. So all over are organized in industry categories, full-time and freelance opportunity. So you can search these FlexJobs. So you're reading down here, you will see what they have. Like here you can see, check out FlexJobs. If you want to know more details about FlexJobs, it's there. Number two, we work remotely. We Work Remotely is one of the top remote job website for both companies and freelancer. The platform connects its users with positions in companies and startups from all over the world. So here you can see, if you're reading, you will see what it offers. Number three, we have Remote OK. Remote OK consider themselves as the number one digital norm job board across the internet. The site reaches more than 800,000 remote workers per month, and yes, they even provide live traffic statistics to prove this. You can go and search out about this more. So you see here for job seekers, come back so that you can read. We have Pro Blogger Jobs board. Here you will see it as the names. There you read it. Pro Blogger Job board are in need of experienced or intermediate level writers. So if you're a blogger, the measure of this advertising on Pro Blogger Jobs will request of relevant example work to gauge your potentials for employment, to make sure your banking on your services is well worth it.
Upwork, possibly one of the most known remote job site. Upwork is a global freelancing marketplace that connects businesses to independent professionals to produce work and collaborate remotely. Reading down here, you see what it offers. I think I'm a little bit slow so that you should see clearly what they have. Number 6, we have freelancer.com. Australia-based freelancer.com positions itself as a freelancer job market, offering clients and businesses to post remote jobs which freelancers can bid for. So a slight different approach to remote jobs website listed here. So here you can see it yourself. Over 200 million users and 10 million jobs are regularly posted on this remote job site. We have Fiverr, a freelance marketplace where you can buy and sell services for a minimum of 5. After signing up at Fiverr, you will have to create a gig, which is a statement that tells prospective clients that services you offer for $5. It's because of my locations I'm calling Real. Number 8, we have virtual vocations. Virtual vocation currently has one of the largest database for remote jobs posting, with over 10,000 telecommunication jobs available on their site. In addition to that, you can read down. You have Travel Massive Marketplaces. This is another site. It's a worldwide community of freelancers and companies in the travel industry. I think I'm slow so that you should be able to read. Then number 10, Job Presso. Job Presso. It's easy to use remote job website to find quality remote careers. Number 11, Outsolely. Outsolely's mission goes beyond pairing up remote workers with clients and company. The platform used by obviously was designed to foster full-time status for remote employer and a stable field workers for employment and set up creating long-term success. Angelists want to get a startup, where then you can read what it offers. Let me slow a little bit. Guru. Work-life balance is one of the things the people behind Guru aim for and believe in. Its name is the Hindu word for teacher or sak, and Guru takes pride in hosting 1.5 million Guru work webs specializing in various fields. Hub Staff Talent has managed to create a buzz in the nomad community by offering a completely free services at remote job listing site. Number 15, Indeed, one of the largest, most robust remote job board online today. Indeed pull data from around the internet worldwide to bring together jobs and remote work. I can remember, like, working in Dubai, this is where I got my job, here in this Indeed. So Indeed actually is a good site, but also when we talk of good, you have to think of the disadvantage. It also has a lot of people post fake jobs, so you need to be careful when applying a job in this site. It's a good place, but it has its own weaknesses. So job posting fall under categories such as industry type, salary, locations. Yeah, with Indeed you realize it posts jobs with its salaries name on it, working nomad. So this is another site. Authentic Jobs is another site. Authentic Job has some of the big names under its belt. Most of its freelancer profile include web designer, web developer. So if you are a web developer, you can easily get to this site. And number 18, Remotive is a big monthly newsletter for nomad jobs seekers showcasing the best remote jobs. So remotive, you can also search that. We have whf.io, provide remote job opportunity through its job board, which is set to focus heavily on digital and tech remote jobs. So you know what it's based. So when you're coming here, you already know. Number 20, we have Dribble. Dribble is a community of graphic designer, web design. So you already know what this one offer. And so forth. So these are the top 20 best jobs we have. So you have to just follow like what I've bring out, then you apply. Try this online, and you keep yourself busy than putting data on your phone which you know that you really don't have. So it's good you just try, you put on something to keep yourself busy. So thank you for being part of my family, because I believe so much that if you watch my videos, we are family. So thank you. See you. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe.